Hey guys, it's Jen, Not a Real Farm. So the boys have finished cutting wood over there by the wood boiler, but the chores never end, guys. Once that's done, my husband's pulled out the skid steer and is now plowing the driveway. Oh, we got a fair amount of snow last night. Today's temperature is minus 30. And so inside the house right now, it's nice and toasty, sitting at around 79 degrees. So it's really nice in there. My husband is down there cleaning everything off and out. Let's go take a look. I love the skid steer because it doesn't take very long to actually plow your driveway. Let's walk on down and see what he's doing. Holy, is it ever cold out here. The reason I'm showing you this video today, guys, is because you just keep going when you're doing yard work and cutting wood and clearing snow. The day is never boring, let's put it that way. And kind of just letting you guys see what we go through sort of on a daily basis, even with 2 full-time jobs. I almost slipped there. My husband works hard. So as soon as breakfast is over, we hop right on out here and just get right to it. Whatever it is that we gotta do, rain, snow, or shine, it doesn't matter. Hey, hey, hey! And while he's doing that, I'll just come on over here so you guys can see what they did this morning. So they were in here cutting wood already. Piling it into a little pile. This has kind of become our prep area now. And they've already fed the stove, and she's just poofing away, keeping us warm in these temperatures. This is a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it, I think, for the heat that you get in your home. It's so nice to come into a warm garage. The heater kicked on. The temperature is holding steady at 10 degrees Celsius in the garage. Anyways, guys, just wanted to bring you on a quick little tour, quick little video of what we're doing in the meantime in all this cold. Basically what happens is once you load up the wood stove, you get it hopped right to the chores right away. And so we ended up getting a significant amount of snow last night. And so my husband is sort of piling it all in one area and then clearing out our yard for us. It never ends. See you soon.